than Matt Macintosh. Again, having the speed, having the agility advantage in this one.
I mean, let's call a spade a spade. I mean, he is the WrestlePro Gold Champion, the face of the company. And I guess that would be our ring bell guy, Josiah.
Evasion by Macintosh.
Puts on the brakes twice, thrice, and now this time, big time neck breaker over the top. Sunset neck breaker, my goodness.
Double stomp. Macintosh looking to put Shawn Donavan away early.
As we were saying before, try to get rid of the guy as early as possible.
And you gotta believe the Gold Champion especially wants to get this match done with fast. If he wins this matchup, he's gonna take out.
Oh, heads up over the top rope.
Huge dive.
Bad apple. He's the Gold Champ for a reason, folks.
As I was saying, if Matt Macintosh wins this match, it's gonna be him versus Bobby Wayward in the next round.
Wow. Wow, you're right. Looking at that side of the bracket, winner of this takes on Dr. Bobby Wayward.
But we can't count out Shawn Donavan. Shawn Donavan known to use sneaky tactics in the past.
I mean, he had himself one hell of a match last night to get here.
Him and Evander Jane.
Yeah.
Him and Evander Jane said, ooh, drops him right on the shoulder.
And that shoulder, again, took a beating last night. Matt Macintosh, look, he didn't have a bye. Oh, into this round, he had to take on none other than, oh, wait. Right out in front.
We can't see from where we're sitting. It looks like he's stomping on that shoulder. Drives him back into the ring.
Oh! Shawn Donavan, very meticulous in all of his strikes. Probably one of the better pure strikers in WrestlePro. Straight right hand. Donavan talking trash.
Referee's got to watch that. He's got to watch that closed fist.
TJ, 2019, I'm going to go with closed fists are no longer illegal.
All right, fair enough, fair enough.
Just saying. So now Donavan trying to dictate the pace here.
He's got to keep the pace slow. You can't let Matt Macintosh quicken up the pace.
Big elbow to the back of the head there.
Shawn Donovan's got to be looking out for that patent apple slicer of Matt Macintosh.
Put away plenty. Oh!
Alley-oop bomb.
Oh, precision.
Right to the side of the face. And a kick out.
Count there, wow. Bad apple, Matt Macintosh. Look, I know we're in a tournament mode here, but I mean, if Shawn Donavan is able to get the win here in the quarterfinals, does that not shoot him right up the ranks? I mean, he just pinned the gold champion.
It has to. It has to shoot him right up the ranks. I mean, if he wins this match, whether he wins the tournament or not, it's got to put him in line for a WrestlePro Gold Championship match.
Absolutely. Now cut back down by Donavan. And oh no!
Single arm DDT takes Macintosh down right by the shoulder.
Macintosh now in a bad way, and it's just a 2 count there. But boy, oh boy, are we impressed here with Shawn Donavan coming out of nowhere with his performance already tonight.
Shawn Donavan feels like he has something to prove. He feels like these fans do not respect him. He said, if you don't respect me, fine, I'm gonna earn your respect.
And he'll do that by winning here tonight. He's already got himself 1 dub here in this tournament, trying to get himself a 2nd.
Working on that arm. Trying to
hit the shoulder. It's going to be hard to hit that apple slicer one-handed.
If he has no arm, he can't hit the apple slicer. He can't
Missed the clothesline there. Oh, shot!
He caught him with that palm strike right in the heart. Sent Shawn Donavan down, knocked all the wind out of him right there.
He knocked him right in the chest.
These fans trying to rally behind Matt Macintosh, trying to get the gold champion back into it. With Shawn Donavan up to his feet.
Ooh. Block punches, a nice shot there by. Oh! Big clothesline. Big back elbow, big standing grab, hit by the bad apple.
That's the athleticism we've been talking about out of Matt Macintosh.
Puts on the brakes. Oh! Big super kick.
Shades of Marufuji.
He's comboing it up. Big backflip. Oh no! Oh,
Spine
stop
buster.
Anybody, my goodness.
The deep, but Shawn Donavan keeps hold of the leg.
Look at this now.
What's he looking for here? Got modified rings of Saturn.
Looks like a regal stretch of sorts.
It is. I couldn't see the leg strap there. Good call by you, Dave Sturcio.
And it looks like Matt Macintosh now down one arm, has to reach with the other.
These fans do not want to see Matt Macintosh go down, and he gets to the ropes.
And he's going to use every single nanosecond of that 5-second count by the referee. Trying to rip the arm straight out of the socket is Shawn Donavan. Oh, roll up there. Look at this now, look at this. Turn of events. Oh my!
Matt Macintosh trapping both legs. That takes away Shawn Donovan's ability to crawl.
He's got nowhere to go, and Macintosh trying to stay with it. Loses him for a second there. Oh no, the shoulder again.
Looking for that combo.
Oh, what a shot by Donavan.
He's gonna roll him through. He's gonna look for that knee.
Good night. Oh no!
And he hits it.
That's the good night knee that he typically uses to possibly put away opponents. He's gonna have to roll them over using all the strength. That's dead body weight. Oh no!
Matt Macintosh using everything he had to kick out of that knee.
What does he have left? And we said it before. I mean, look, you can get out of this one with a win, but you got to win 2 more matches on one night. Last night was you know, you win your match, yay, you get the rest and recover. Not tonight.
There's no resting tonight. Everybody is, like I said, everybody's looking to use their A game, but you don't want to use all of your energy in the first match.
Let's see what Donovan's got dialed up now.
He could be looking for that lariat.
Here it comes. Oh.
Nice slip behind.
Double knees.
Double knees to the back of the head.
Macintosh moving on.
And that's it. Newton's Law right to the back of Shawn Donovan's head.